Hello students, so we are here and today we are going to perform an interesting activity that how the electric current can decompose water into hydrogen and oxygen. That is, we are going to do an experiment of electrolysis of water. Okay, for that we need some material, that is we need two pencils which are sharpened at both ends, a glass beaker, some salt and a 9-volt battery. So let's see what is happening now. Here I am taking simple drinking water in a glass. Now to increase the conductivity I am adding a pinch of salt in this plain water. After mixing, wait for some time to still the water. Now I am going to add these two pencils which are acting as an electrode, because these two sharpened ends are made up of graphite and graphite is a good conductor. So that's why I am using here two sharpened pencils which are sharpened at both ends. Okay. Now you can see that nothing happened because there is no electricity, right? If I am going to attach terminals of the battery, here it is a negative terminal, it is a positive terminal, and for simplicity I am connecting negative terminal with short pencil and positive terminal with long pencil, because negative terminal is always shown by small line. Okay. Now see the observation. What is happening, that some tiny bubbles are formed at the tips of both the pencils, and you can see that at one end there are more bubbles and at other end there are fewer bubbles. More bubbles are on the end which I connected with negative terminal. So we can see there hydrogen is produced and lesser bubbles are formed when I connected with positive terminals. So simply here oxygen is formed, right? So what we conclude from this activity, that electric current can cause chemical change, right? And what we are adding here is a pinch of salt just because to increase the conductivity, because water do not conduct itself. So to help this water we add some salt, and we can collect hydrogen and oxygen separately with this activity. Okay. So this is all about electrolysis of water. Thank you.
Good morning everyone, we are the student of class 8, myself Manveer Singh.
Myself Akshita Sharma. Myself Damanpreet.
And today we are going to perform an experiment, electrolysis of water using pencil rod electrodes.
Material required is two pencils sharp at both ends. हमें two pencils चाहिए जो दोनों साइड से sharp हो. Then a glass beaker, और हमें एक ग्लास चाहिए जिसमें हम एक्सपेरिमेंट परफॉर्म करेंगे. फिर हमें चाहिए सॉल्ट और नमक चाहिए कि उसकी जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी ज़्यादा आए, उसमें 2% ज़्यादा है. और फिर लास्ट में हमें एक बैटरी चाहिए जिसकी हेल्प से वो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी प्रोड्यूस हो इस एक्सपेरिमेंट में.
So now we will do it practically. So here we have a pinch of salt. We will add it to the water to improve the conduction of the water. So this is two pencils. So we will stir it. We have two pencils. It is for the positive and it is for the negative, because positive are long and negative are short. So we will put it. And now we will use battery. The bubble is formed, and now the hydrogen and oxygen are separated. Thank you.
So observation are electricity current can cause chemical changes. As you can see, hydrogen is formed. It is a chemical change. Water do not conduct itself to help use add salt. हमने salt इसलिए ऐड किया क्योंकि वाटर अपने आप से अलग नहीं कर सकता हाइड्रोजन और ऑक्सीजन को. We can collect hydrogen and oxygen separately. हमने जब इसमें इलेक्ट्रिसिटी छोड़ी तो हाइड्रोजन ऊपर में कलेक्ट हो गई और जो ऑक्सीजन है वो वाटर के अंदर रहेगी, बाहर निकल गई. थैंक यू.